Good morning, everyone. And this is a Power BI demo class.
Very good morning, sir.
And today and tomorrow are the demo classes and regular classes from Wednesday at 9 a.m. And my objective for this course, detailed subject, complete course, and entry-oriented subject coverage. And PL 300 are you're attending DP 600 exam, which is Microsoft Fabric. PL 300 and DP 600 subject coverage. This is 70 to 80%. But DP 600 separate and guidance provided a little. And with my course, happily you can face the interview and confidently you can work in the real time. No doubt in that. And there are two demo classes. First demo is today, introduction 20 minutes, where I'm covering institute details, training details, and all this stuff. And next 40 minutes, data to Microsoft Fabric understanding. It's a theoretical part. Today is theoretical demo, but it's very important demo. And coming to tomorrow, second demo, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow. And first I'll give you the demo recap for 10 minutes and practical demo. So don't expect any practical today. There are thousands of practicals in the internet. So get proper subject from me or a proper trainer. Thousands of practicals in the internet, but without proper clarity and proper subject. That's the reason we people decided to give proper subject. So the demos containing proper information and proper subject. And regular classes are highly suitable to work in any kind of project in the real time. And you're looking for interview guidance or any kind of guidance, we will provide. Now, first demo is in the introduction 20 minutes. Power BI demo. And this is my name. So I'm Vinay. And this is my contact number. I'm a BA lead consultant. The duration is 50 to 60 hours. Very detailed training. 10 hours or 20 hours. I cannot cover the subject. I can't cover. So basics and a few important topics only possible to cover in 10 or 15 hours from anyone, not the complete subject. So in case we are able to get a job with 10 hours learning or 15 hours learning, then everyone will enter into IT only, that to Power BI only. So in case you are having such kind of idea, like 20 hours or 15 hours, I'll spend time to learn and then I go for a job, you cannot do anything. Power BI is very powerful and it's a leader. How come a leader containing less number of topics and the course also covered in less days? Some basics will be covered and some basic reporting you can do, but not in detail. And you're not suitable for all kinds of projects. Learn like a proper subject by spending enough time. And my 1 hour equal to, remember everyone, my 1 hour session equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice daily. So I'm going to spend valuable time here. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. Monthly 2 Saturdays you are having sessions. 2 Saturdays in a month. And recently we started a wonderful practice called live practice. On the Saturdays, we do live practice. So you guys going to do practical along with me. No normal session, live practice. In that session, you will get maximum content. Who all not practice, who all wants to grab more and want to take my practical help. So 2 to 3 hours on Saturdays. Monthly 2 Saturdays, we are having such kind of sessions. And daily live class videos will provide. And the video access given up to 1.5 years. 2 near real-time projects I will cover and multiple case studies provided. Solid theory and practical material also you will receive. And if you want to learn Power BI, no prerequisite. Anybody can start up Power BI. But if you have knowledge on Excel level, SQL level, add advantage. If anyone having knowledge on Excel or SQL, add advantage. Any graduate can learn Power BI. And Power BI is full support to graphical user operations with low code, less code available in the Power BI. So you're non-IT guy, no need to worry. Less code, full graphical, a wonderful component, wonderful component. And I cover here from basics to advanced, complete detailed subject. So if you feel like, yeah, I need really fast track and you are having very good subject in other reporting tools and you are able to compensate more time for your practice, then call on this number or call on my number. I will give you guidance. But listening fast track is different. Practicing fast track is different. So my fast track class 2 hours equal to daily for you 8 to 10 hours practice session. If you're able to spend this much time for your practice, altogether 12 hours in a day, yes, ready for the fast track. Because practice is more important. With experience, whatever the topics I cover in 2 hours, the same thing without experience, if you want to do 8 to 10 hours required. If really required, then go for fast track. Otherwise, continue with the normal track and learn properly. Now, in the 2 months, we have a plan, systematic plan for the subject. And this is real-time part, uh, near real-time. But real projects environment, project components, this kind of stuff I'm covering. Because once you join in the company, you deal with data warehousing applications, data model applications, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, all I'm going to cover. Next, 2 near real-time projects I will cover. Multiple case studies. Database and SQL, 3 to 4 hours class on database and SQL. But this is not sufficient. Remember everyone, many companies using database storage. So we decided to give database storage operations, like how to bring the data and how to bring the data and how to use effectively in the Power BI, those kind of operations. But we recommend you to learn whole course. Next, job trials. For your job trials, proper resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews required. We're conducting all this. And Power BI subject level. Cloud components we will provide. On-premises components also we provide. Both the components. And Power Apps and Power Automate understanding. 4-hour session I'm taking. And in this area, I will explain you how these are related to Power BI and our projects level. And this content is designed purely to make you comfortable to work happily in the real time. And coming to Power BI subject wise. So subject wise, if you consider, so this is the topic I'm going to cover in a systematic way. All components, each component, how much time I'm going to spend. This I will share with you, don't worry. This Excel sheet, first 2 demos, followed by this content one by one. Once it is completed, I will mention here, yes, 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 yes. 2 projects, resume preparation, everything in a systematic order I will cover. For example, Power BI service class, 5 hours. What I'm going to cover in the 5 hours? Already 3 hours we are covering here and 5 hours. Go to service. These are the service sessions. And you want to extract data usage. And we are going to use these are all the sources in the classroom level. Extraction topic, what I'm going to cover. There is something called Power Query, what I'm going to cover. So there's a detailed content I will share with you. Please go through it. In case you want to prioritize your learning order, this is a learning order. For interview and working in the real time, this is a learning order. Right. Next, what institute provides? Good theory and practical material, daily live class videos, and that training is fully practical oriented training. Resume preparation, resume preparation, resume sessions, and you'll be having good interaction with me. One WhatsApp group also created, and FAQs also discussed. So complete systematic training, a proper training with proper interaction with me. I'll show you in 2 minutes. Now coming to opportunities. Less than 5 years you can try in the current market after learning this course. 90% opportunities in the current market, Power BI plus SQL Server. These two come under Power BI. This is SQL. Power BI plus SQL. This part anyway I will explain in the classes. This part anyway I will explain the classes. And I'll give you some basics on SQL, but more understanding, learn completely. There are 9 topics you prioritize for interview and working perspective. And you can try as a support resource in the market, not only developer. Developer more opportunities, but Power BI support some companies recruiting, admin some companies recruiting, administrator role. My course is suitable for all. And admin level, 90% I'm covering admin part, 10% not possible since we don't have premium capacity account. Premium capacity account is high chargeable account, high licensed account. Since we cannot purchase that, I cannot show you, but 90% I will show you admin part here. And combination Power BI plus MSBA, Power BI plus Tableau, Power BI plus Azure, Power BI plus Synapse. This combination also you can try. So these are the different opportunities available. Less than 5 years. In case you decide to keep more than 5 years, modeler, designer, specialist, architect, these are the roles available for more than 5 years. But you cannot try after attending the session because modeling, designing comes up with experience. At least you need to work on 1 or 2 projects to get this understanding. When you work on 1 or 2 projects, then only you get such kind of understanding and you can try for this opportunity. Otherwise, you cannot try. And these are the opportunities available in the market. And this is what we provide. Now coming to the interaction with the students. So before you join any institute, what they provide, how do they provide, what type of content they provide, everything you need to know. Then only classes. Guys, for every session, once the session completed, we'll inform like this. See, offline, 7 a.m. offline, or do one thing, 8 a.m. Once the session is completed, you will find the respective day video. 23, cloud connectivity, workspace, create, upload files, everything. This is the way you will receive a message. A proper communication, systematic communication you will find. Next. And Saturday, I conducted a live practical session. See, this is the feedback. Dear sir, I want to thank you for such a productive and enjoyable training today. Your expertise and dedication are truly invaluable. Just Saturday. So it was very interesting and very helpful session. Thanks for conducting. Today's practice was really nice. It was interesting and kindly conduct every Saturday. A proper communication we will have in the WhatsApp level with proper updates. Once the session is conducted, even the respective documents also we share in the WhatsApp level and the Drive level. Live practice document. Coming to job opportunities. So we tied up with a couple of companies. We tied up with a couple of companies. They approach us as and when they have opportunity. And we are getting opportunity for freshers on Power BI and experienced. And mostly fresher opportunities, startup companies, and very few MNCs. But experience will get from MNCs in normal company and medium companies as well. As we are having brand, we get on and off opportunities also. Just show you last Saturday, and he's our student. He's conducting. He's in the interview panel. He asked us, please send me the profile, sir. Saturday. So this is a company, PRS Towers beside DLF building, 4th floor. And opening for Power BI SSI says your experience 4 years. So students also inform us, and he learned from me, he got job, now he's in interview panel. Not one or two people, many people. Even this person. Students also refer. So such kind of relationship we maintain. So he recently got job. Now he's preparing for certification. Thanks for your support, sir. I have got offer letter from so-and-so company. Not one or two, sir. Many people who got jobs. And you can see this person as well. Okay, thank you, sir. Such a valuable guidance and support. This is just to let you know how we are interacting with the students. So maximum training institutions trainers won't respond for the students. Right, this is okay. So sufficient. So what we provide, how we interact with the students, what of subject we are giving, and whom it is helpful, I clearly explain. Now I need to start the second part. Data to fabric understanding subject. So if you guys want to ask any questions, kindly take your mic and ask related to the demo only. If you need any career guidance or you want to discuss with me your personal profile, I'm giving my contact number. Kindly note down and call me.
Sir, very good morning, sir. Can we ask a question here?
Yes, you can ask. You can take your mic and ask your question related to the session.
Sir, is it mandatory to have SQL with Power BI?
Yes, SQL basics are compulsory for any business intelligence tool. Because in the real-time data available, most of the companies database level. So how do you understand and work on it without having basic SQL knowledge? Because SQL is the language required to work with databases. Are
Okay,
you
sir.
clear?
Thank
Are
you,
you
sir.
right? Any more question from anyone? Guys who all not provided email ID, mobile number, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number to get today's demo video document and the basic fundamentals which I explain. Everything you will receive. Anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Will you provide some advanced level also
Yes, the training is
training?
very detailed session.
But because I'm working on the micro strategy,
Mhm.
so it's also a BI tool. I think you already know. So
Yes.
now we are moving to Power BI. So all our projects are we are migrating to Power BI. So yeah, so that's what I'm.
See, 50 to 60 hours basics nobody can take. So it's a mix of all. In case you feel something additional required, let me know. I will help you on that.
Okay.
But Power BI detailed subject. Detailed subject means basics to advanced only.
Okay.
Next, shall I continue with the remaining part? Right. Since you're entering into Microsoft Power BI, first you need to know about data to fabric understanding. So without this understanding, don't start your career in Power BI. First understand this and then go for your Power BI learning. Otherwise, it is an ineffective, inefficient learning. Then why, sir? You will come to know. So this is the hierarchy. You all need to have good knowledge. Stop me in case you're not able to understand. Whether you have real IT experience or not, no matter. but this hierarchy understanding is required. And the current sessions from beginners to experienced everyone. So kindly stay tuned and keep some patience, guys. First one, data. How many types of data available? What type of data Power BI support? And with respect to data, what is the credibility in Power BI? That part I'm covering now. Kindly focus. So knowingly or unknowingly, we all guys working on data. So the definition of data is anything you're able to store. With respect to IT, I'm talking about. If you're able to store something, that is called data. And we are storing the data of structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Structured data mostly in the table and Excel kind of formats. Column by column structure available like this. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, like this. See, it is fully structured data. Now semi-structured. This is called metadata or structure or metadata plus actual data available. This is actual data 1, 18. This is actual data. So student ID is a metadata or structure. 1 is the actual data. Age is a metadata or structure. 18 is the actual data. And this kind of files are called as semi-structured files, semi-structured sources. And your social media data, WhatsApp data, Twitter data, documents data, email data, or the Gmail, Yahoo Mail, that is unstructured data. So we have 3 types of data: fully structured, semi-structured, unstructured. And Power BI is supporting all these 3 types. And that feature is called any type. Any type of data, it provides support. Now storage. This data, guys, we keep in 2 areas. One is files, file format storage. Second, database storage, tables format storage. Take any organization. Data may be in the file format or data may be in the table format. And this data. This is called any format. Next, this data, file data, table data, again in 2 places. On-premise, within the company level or within the organization level, we'll keep the data. Or somebody else storage level, we keep the data. Somebody else storage is called cloud. So you may keep within your organization or you may keep in the cloud level, somebody else storage. And knowingly or unknowingly, we are dealing with these 2 regularly. Take your mobile contacts, and your mobile photos. First within your device, your RAM level. And every day or every week, every month, we take backup into Microsoft account level or Google account level or Apple account level, etc. So that means you are keeping in the cloud, the backup in the cloud. So even non-IT people handling with both. First they're keeping in their area and then they're moving into cloud. And today we will share the demo video. Today we'll share the demo video in the Google Cloud level, Google Drive Cloud. That's the cloud. And these 2 are called storages. And we call it as any storage. So Power BI is the only application in the market. Any type of data, any format of data, any storage of data, it provides support. And this is a slogan of Power BI since the beginning. because many reporting tools, many BA tools do not provide support. And one of our a friend said, I worked with MicroStrategy. That MicroStrategy operations, so MicroStrategy does not support all types of data, all types of storage. It will not support all types of storage. Cloud also it will not provide support. Understood? Anyone having any questions on this? Next. This data required in IT applications. Then what is IT application? IT data processing application. Maybe store or manage, anything. Many types available. Importantly, these are business running applications. These are business analytical applications or analysis applications. There are two major categories. Business running applications. Take IRCTC. Book My Show. IRCTC. Book My Show. And your account runs online banking. These all come under business running applications. Whatever the operation you do, at the end you get a message called transaction, success or fail. You booked a movie ticket, successful, transaction success. You booked a train ticket, fail, transaction fail. So these come under OLTP applications, online transaction processing applications. Technical word. So business running applications deal with transactions. So we call them as online transaction processing applications or OLTP. It's the IT word, IT terminology. So the people who belong to non-IT, please don't feel panic. It is your responsibility to know IT terms. First 2 days, you may feel panic, but third day onwards, it's so easy for you. The same terminology I'm going to use repeatedly. So you feel bored after 2 or 3 days. Right. Take IRCTC. IRCTC. Now people using web booking and counters using desktop booking. Some people using mobile booking. The general public use IRCTC in 3 ways. And they will get a form. They will fill the form. If the ticket is booked, transaction success. So you will see the message here. Transaction, record, and finally success. If the ticket booking fail, finally it will show fails. That's why these applications are called transactional applications. And this data you want to analyze, the tickets data. But what type of analysis we do? If it is a Tatkal, in today's Tatkal, highest booking of seats and highest demanded areas, lowest demanded areas, highest demanded trains, lowest demanded trains, etc. And this data is called as decision-making data, analytical data. Some people say data insights. Data insights. But how do we create? Since it is a business data, a few more people are also calling as BA data, business intelligence data. And this information, whatever system keeping, you need to convert like this. Yes, possible. And the process is called analytical process. online analytical process. And the application is called OLAP application or BA application, business intelligence application. So this data processor through OLAP or BA applications, then they will produce this kind of information. But how do they produce? So for booking, you will get forms. But what about this information? Will not show statement by statement. Will show in report or dashboard format. And then what is report? What is dashboard? I will explain, don't worry. So the decision-making data, this kind of data always presented in report or dashboard. And the data again given to the management team. Normal people don't use it. Management team only uses this as part of analysis. Low to high, everyone. And this data available in the web level, at desktop level, or mobile level. And you guys, after learning this course, you implement this OLAP process or BI process in Power BI and generate reports or dashboards. And where the users can access in web level, desktop level, mobile level. So this is the area Power BI sits. So it will bring the data, any data, but here for ease of understanding, I said transactional data, but any data. It will bring, implement process, finally report or dashboard generated. Got clarity? So you belong to this area, decision-making area, data insights area. I will explain about BI because we belong to BI area. BI more understanding. What is BI? Input and output of BI, history of BI. I'm going to explain. So data understanding completed, IT application categories completed, important category BI, and BI explanation I'm giving. BI stands for business intelligence, intelligence to the business, a decision-making data or analysis of the business. And in the BI level, input is data, anywhere, any type. Output is a report or dashboard. Sir, what are the differences between reports and dashboards? Simple. Report is for detailed data. Individual operation presentation. Detailed data, individual operation. Example, banking operations, savings account, deposits, analysis, only deposits, analysis report. One report. You may have savings account, withdraw, analysis report. Like this, multiple reports created here. But dashboard level, not like that. High level data presentation. A subject area data presentation. Example, take the above scenario. Savings account, deposit, withdraw, loan processing, etc. If you take in a single area, that is subject to analysis, subject to area analysis. And you people, once you complete this course, in a position to create reports and dashboards. And that is the objective of Power BI. So I explained what is BI, what is the input and output, but there is a history you are supposed to know. How do we convert this data to report a dashboard? The process history you need to know. Yes, legacy BI, some people call it as early BI, since 90 available. So early BA level, multiple tool, multiple setup, multiple resources required, very costly and complex. 90s first time BA process released. And here, if you want to implement a project, very costly because multiple tools, setups, resources required. Then what is the BA process? I'll explain you. This point I will explain you and then remaining two. Kindly stay tuned till 10:10. The session will continue. Look at this. So general public, whatever the data they operate, that is called transactional data. Files and databases, the data will be stored. Daily business data, you can say business data. This data management team wants to analyze. This is management team. And some people say analytical data. Some people say decision-making data. Some people say data insights, etc. You can say BA data, business intelligence data. So to convert this normal data to BA data, we need this process according to legacy BA process. What is this process? Layered process. This is the first layer required, ETL, extract, transform, load. To bring the data, transform the data, load the data. But where, sir? Why? Why do we require this? So assume you're running a small departmental store in your hometown. You want to take a decision day wise or week wise or monthly. So this month, total how much sugar you sold? What is the profit margin? What is the actual cost? Or biscuits, Parle biscuits versus Good Day biscuits or Britannia biscuits. You want to compare it. First of all, you need to collect regular data in a particular area, then only you can analyze it. The same thing here. This is called data gathering area, daily data gathering area, daily business data gathering. Here we are storing, okay. But if you want to analyze, again, this step we need to implement. So daily business data we gather and we shape it. If the data not in proper shape, we shape it. After that, we'll keep in a huge storage area. Why is there huge storage? Years and years data you want to keep for yearly analysis or year on year analysis, multiple years analysis, multiple quarters analysis, multiple months analysis. So years and years data you are keeping. Next, historical data you are keeping, data with changes. So more storage required. Those storages are called warehouses. In daily life also we hear about warehouses, district headquarters and top shopping malls maintain warehouses. Warehouse is a place where more content available. If you keep wheat packets, wheat warehouse, rice packet, rice warehouse, data you are keeping, so data warehouse. So daily gather the business data into huge storage and from here take required data because we don't use complete data for analysis. Remember, we never use complete data for analysis. Whatever the part you want to analyze, you need to take it and apply aggregate analytical operations. This is the one, specific data, aggregate analytical data. And finally, you present it, data presentation area, reports and dashboards. So these are the 4 layers proposed by scientists in the early BA process. Everyone remember this point, it's compulsory. If you want to understand Power BI beautiness, what type of BA available earlier you need to know. Then you will understand what type of features Power BI has. Otherwise, you cannot understand. So if you want to work on this, and maximum companies, not me, MNCs, using this approach and using this approach by recruiting multiple teams and multiple setups, maintaining, etc. Very costly, guys. So one company decided, why don't we optimize this process? So what do you mean by optimization? For ETL process, one tool we need to purchase like this. One storage area we need to purchase. One analytical area we need to purchase. This is called semantic area. Semantic or analytical. One reporting area we need to purchase. Multiple. So Microsoft decided, why don't we add all in single area? That is Microsoft BI, MS BI, the first BI in the project. So the first BI in the market with end-to-end support. And you see, if you see this, Informatica, DataStage, Ebony, Teradata, Oracle, nowhere the word BI available. But Microsoft, whatever the component they given, there we have BI. Because it is a suite. Some people say pack. It's a pack of multiple tools to perform end-to-end operations. End-to-end meaning data if you pass till report generation, everything it will do to perform end-to-end operation, data to report. So this is the first tool, tool 1, SSIS, integration services. Tool 2, analysis services. Tool 3, reporting services. These 3 tools, we got it from the Microsoft to perform end-to-end process. That is why some people call it as self-service BI suite. What is self-service? If you go to a hotel, we will take the ticket, we'll go to the counter, we bring the tiffin or lunch or whatever it may be, and then we only place the plates in a particular area. Everything we do, that's called self-service. Here also, the suite will do an end-to-end, so we call it as a self-service. The first self-service BI suite in the market is MSBA. Wonderful suite. So MSBA released in 2005. This is the release year. And market leader from 2008, leader from here. It's a leader. You can ask me, sir, if MSBA from Microsoft and providing end-to-end support in a suite level, then why Power BI? Why Power BI? Guys, market strategies, market process, and market landscape completely changed. So people expecting current market components, current market suitable components, cutting edge technologies, manageable components, and integrated components. And that is Power BI. So Power BI level, we don't have multiple tools, single application, self-service BI application. So single application with multiple concepts to perform end-to-end process. That means data to reporting. Everything we do here. So this is the first concept we use here. Second concept we use here and here. Third concept we use in this area. So 3 concepts. So this is the first advantage of Power BI. No need of multiple tools installation. No need of multiple resources. Simply one team will do end-to-end. And the application is Power BI self-service BI application. So you can ask me, sir, this is the only one reason why we move to Power BI? No. I will tell you now, focus. Legacy BA advantages and drawbacks I explain. Middle-aged BA level, process sophisticated or process complexity reduced, because MSBA level, we are having 3 tools. The 3 tools will perform end-to-end process. This is the first year. From this year, it is a market leader. Till this area, market leader. From here, Power BI continuing the market leadership. Power BI continuing. Now, what is this, sir? These are MSBA versions. 5, 8, 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. Every 2 to 3 years, there is a new version. Remember this point. Every 2 to 3 years, new version. Though it is a market leader, but every 2 to 3 years, a new version. You want to check whether Microsoft is a market leader? Don't bother about Microsoft Tool Life or MSBA Life or Power BI Life. They are evergreen components. And Microsoft having its own market. Look at this. Microsoft named a leader in the Gartner 2022 Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BI. For Analytics and BI, it's a leader. If leader does not have market, what about normal components? Today we are announcing 15th consecutive year. This is 2022. And it's 2023, 16th consecutive year. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is the leader in Analytics and BI. You may not heard about it, but it is a leader. So don't worry about the course future or your future. 100% you are having, but only one thing you need to learn. So one thing you need to believe, proper learning, proper preparation. But market is good. Happily, you will get many opportunities. Next 10 to 15 years, no doubt it will rule the rest. If you look at this, Microsoft is the leader one. Salesforce, ClickView, these are all next components. Over? Good. So not only that, even I will show you. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. This is 2021 link, little old link. So in 21, the market of Power BI 36%. 23, the market of Power BI 49%. That means 100 projects are available. BA projects. 49% of BA projects are in Power BI. It's not a normal number. But why, sir? The features. The features of Power BI making this. These are genuine statistics not created by anyone. So guys, I request you once again, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number in case you want demo video and document. Please provide your email ID, mobile number to get all these documents. Right. So you noticed it. But one more question you can ask me. Sir, MSBI having market and it brought leadership. Why Power BI? This is the reason. Interview level, knowledge oriented, 100% required content this is. So MSBI drawbacks, MSBI architecture purely designed before 2004 market. Because MSBI released in 2005. So whatever the features it is having, it is before 2004 features only. Before 2004 support. So is there any change? Yes, sir. 2004 onwards, there is a lot of change in the market, especially IT level. Facebook in 2004, Google Analytics 2005, Cloud is available from 2006. And 2009 onwards, mobile and tab apps available. There is a huge change in the market after 2004. And MSBI does not have support for this. MSBI purely on-premises solution, cloud support is less. That tool recently added the less support. Multiple tools required. Mobile and tab friendly reporting not possible. So customers cannot see MSBI reports in the mobile and tab. Very limited sources because Facebook and all provide unstructured data. The data handling not provided in Microsoft MSBI level. An MSB report you want to place in Facebook level, Twitter level, and many areas not possible. Compulsory average coding is required in MSBA, average coding. And remember the word average coding. The report visuals and operations not suitable for the current market. And every 2 to 3 years, one version releasing. So people question Microsoft, you are the leader, but your support is very less. Why don't you think about it? So Microsoft decided to construct one more BA component with more power, that is adding more power to existing BA, and we call it as Power BA. Some people also call it as powering BA. Powering BA, adding more power to existing BA is Power BA. So here cloud is added, single application for everything, mobile and tab friendly possible, any type of data supported, better embedding available, coding also very less, and more visuals available. And on top of all, monthly updates available in the Power BI. Look at this, monthly updates. In case XYZ company released a new feature, immediately Microsoft will join with this and mention in the next month update. We joined with so-and-so company, we brought in integration with respect to application. Such a speed and continuity we are having in Power BI level. The reason for explaining 2 to 3 years and 1 month, so the reason for explaining 2 to 3 years is Power BI level having monthly update. So you will understand how strong it is, how powerful it is. So compared to MSBA, these many advantages are there in the Power BI. And by keeping this in mind only, it is designed. That is why a few people technically conclude Power BI is a low-code application, cloud and on-premises supportive application, self-service application, which will generate reports and dashboards from the data. You can answer like powering BI, adding power to BI, or it's a low-code application, on cloud and on-premises application, cloud or on-premises, both supported, and self-service application, which will generate reports and dashboard from the data. Announcement year July 2013, Power BI. And we are having monthly updates from that year onwards. Kindly go through this for a moment. Next. And with the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided, why don't we create a couple of low-code components for customer ease of operations, that is Power Platform. In the Power Platform level, Power BI is the first component. It's a platform with 5 components. Power BI is the first component, a low-code component for reports. Power Apps is a second low-code component for tab and mobile-friendly apps. You want to create a mobile app, you want to create a tab app, easily you can create by using Power Apps. Power Automate, it's a low-code and perform robotic process automation concepts, automation process, you can do it. Virtual agent. So when you open a website or a blog, you will find in the corner, how may I assist you? Those chatbots easily you want to create virtual agents. And you want to create web pages, websites easily, then Power Pages. So there are 5 low-code components to perform different operations. And Microsoft thought people use Power Apps plus Power BI or Automate plus Power Apps. Power Automate plus Power BI like this. But no company showed their interest. The market is completely changed. Market is completely changed. So Microsoft noticed how companies are progressing and they released a recent concept called Fabric. Remember everyone? The current market booming component is Fabric. Then what is Fabric? An artificial intelligence based suite with the below components for various operations. And Power BI for reporting. Data factory for integration, data integration. Data activator for data governance and monitoring. Synapse for storage and analytics. And these are all at the cloud level only. And Power BI, whatever you're learning now, it is part of Fabric. Microsoft Fabric part. And if you download Power BI, if you install Power BI, use Power BI, it is a Fabric Power BI. No more. No more independent. So 2013 to 19 independent. And 19 part of platform, Power Platform. Now part of 2023 June onwards, part of Fabric. That's why I asked you to learn. So you can learn Power BI and confidently try. Or if you are having some experience in IT and you want to gain more, learn the combination either Power BI plus Data Factory, Power BI plus Synapse. Don't learn any other. SQL is compulsory anyway. SQL mandatory, SQL language basics. SQL language basics mandatory, but combination prefer this. And it's very booming one. Fabric is very hot and booming one. Companies frequently use solution is this combination. That combination available in the Fabric level. Single account to get all. Earlier Power BI account different, Data Factory account different, account licensing account I'm talking about. But all single account possible now. That too with a limited price, reasonable price. If anyone interested to attend Microsoft Fabric seminar from Microsoft company, and March 4th, there is a seminar available. I'll be sharing the link. Kindly join for it. They are going to give 150 hours free sessions on Fabric for everyone, whoever register. In case you want to establish a wonderful career and next 10 to 15 years, you don't want to see back, then move to Fabric. Start with Power BI, move to Fabric, learn other as well. So this is the data to Fabric understanding. Let me show you. Power BI cloud service. This is a cloud, Power BI cloud. I'm typing it. See something, Microsoft Fabric. Some account I signed in, let us assume. See Microsoft Fabric one it was showing. See the ultimate Power BI. Microsoft Fabric, SQL, AI learning event, March 26, use the code. You can join for this. So Fabric. So there's a relationship with Power BI. That's the reason I explained. Simply Power BI is a component of Fabric now. And today, as part of our demo, whatever I planned successfully completed. First 20 minutes regarding institution. Next 40 minutes, I explain data to Fabric understanding. I know non-IT people, they might feel little difficult with the technical words, but since you're entering into this component, you need to listen those only. Slowly, you'll understand the complete terminology explanation. IT people, so read it properly or follow it effectively to get more knowledge. As I said earlier, we will provide you daily videos, materials, and multiple case studies, multiple projects I will cover. The training is for the people who are preparing well for the interviews in real-time process. And certification in case you are preparing PL 300, 70 to 80% I will cover, and dumps also provided freely. And DP 600 dump also provided. This is a fabric certification recently available. So whatever you require for the interview oriented and real-time oriented, I will provide the required one. In case still you need something additional, yes, please do contact me. I will help you on that. And if anyone wants to discuss with me regarding their career or any other, this is my contact number. Kindly call me on this number. And if you're not provided the email ID, mobile number, kindly provide. I hope I given proper information about institution as well as data to fabric with proper BA evolution as well. Legacy BA, middle age BA, modern BA, all. Power BA comes under modern BA.